hadn't gotten around to it. That's it. And see, the whole idea was, remember those holes that we spackled?
Yeah.
Of course, it gets all lumpy, right? So you don't want to paint over lumpy, so you're just getting it smooth. All right. So anywhere it looks like it's still not smooth, you just keep sanding, okay?
Yeah.
All right. And you can take a minute and take it stop, put that down, and then dust everything toward the floor. Not toward yourself, but toward the floor. Okay? Alright, so in the future I'll get you a brush to do that. Alright, so still looking a little rough, right?
Yeah.
You see where it's looking rough, like right here?
Yeah.
Alright, so you need to keep sanding. Remember, sand on the rough spots, okay?